First go to the file and choose open. Select this cover image, press open. Now take the quick selection tool and select the cover like this. Press Ctrl J to create a duplicate of the selected portion. Take the rectangle tool. Pick any color. Now create the shape like this. Right click on this layer and choose create clipping mask. Again right click on this layer and this time choose convert to smart object. Open blend modes and choose multiply. Double click on this layer thumbnail. Now go to the file and choose place embedded. Select this first image, hit place. Hold the alt button and increase the image size like this. Press enter. Go to the file and choose save. Then go to the main window and see the result. Now right click on this layer and choose blending options. Here adjust this underlying layer option like this. Press OK. Now we can replace any logo or design here. Let's see the final result.